Lumen5 and Pictory AI are two platforms built to help creators turn existing content into polished videos without spending hours in a traditional editor. Both tools promise speed, automation, and a smoother workflow for YouTube creators who want to repurpose content. But they take different approaches that can change how you use them day to day. Lumen5 focuses on transforming text into engaging visual stories. You can paste a script, a blog post, or notes, and the platform automatically highlights key ideas and matches them with visuals from its media library. The interface is clean and easy to understand. You choose a style, adjust the pacing, and the platform builds a video that looks professional without much hands-on work. This makes Lumen5 great for creators who want consistent branding and fast production. It feels friendly and allows plenty of small adjustments without overwhelming you with complicated menus. It is best when your workflow starts with written content. Pictory AI takes a different direction. It's built for long-form video, and its strength is breaking down big recordings into usable pieces. You can upload a webinar, a podcast video, a tutorial, or a long presentation, and Pictory will identify important sections, potential highlight clips, and moments that work well on their own. This is incredibly useful if you create a lot of long content and want multiple YouTube videos or shorts from a single recording. The platform also handles automatic captions, voiceover options, and scene detection. The storyboard layout gives you a clear overview of your video and lets you edit each moment with precision. Pictory feels more detailed than Lumen5, but that extra control helps when you want accuracy and consistency across multiple clips. Both tools are strong in their own ways. Choose Lumen5 if your content is text-driven and you want fast, polished results with little effort. Choose Pictory AI if you produce longer videos and want to repurpose them into multiple YouTube-ready clips. Either option can help you increase your output and keep your YouTube channel active without doubling your workload.